Got the Maggie on the list. Oh yeah. All right, so today we're gonna head to the exhaust shop, make this exhaust louder. But let's go ahead and turn around real quick. You guys can kind of hear what she sounds like right now. There it is. Let's go. Let's get out of here. Welcome back, YouTube. SRT Dad. And today, as you already heard, we are going to get the exhaust modified on the Magnum. So what exactly am I doing? I'm not buying the actual exhaust or anything. I'm just going to cut the resonators off. You know, the resonators tend to, they're more for sound, not exactly any sort of airflow or anything, so they should get louder. We'll take a look underneath. I'll have the guy over at the exhaust shop. I believe it's called AZ Mufflers. It's AZ Mufflers. It's called AZ Mufflers. But I'll have him take a look under and see if what else it has underneath. If it has, because I took a look underneath, I didn't really see any mufflers. I saw some really small ones, so we'll see what kind they are. We'll take a look under there. But anyways, let's go. All right, so we're here at AZ Mufflers now. Looks like they got 2, and then 2 more ahead of me. And then the Maggie she gonna get louder, y'all. She gonna get louder. Got a truck right here. This one got a Laredo Jeep. I think those things got a V6 in there. So got a Hemi. We'll find out in a little bit. Once they start them up, I'll get them clips on here too. I don't hear nothing on this one. It's probably just had an exhaust leak or something, I'm guessing. Doing a muffler test. Como un Corvette, ¿verdad? Yeah. Got the Maggie on the lift. See what we got under here. So we do have mufflers down here. Everything look good down here. Gonna get rid of this and this. Por favor, 2.5. De ese tamaño. También sí. Shout out Pinky Tune. Shout out Pinky Tune. What up, Pinky? Got the hat on. One down, 1 to go. You see, kids, this is why you guys still need to go to school. Math is used in real life. What we got? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Woo. Oh yeah. Ahí está. That's perfect. That's perfect. Alright guys, so I'm on the highway right now. You kind of hear on the inside here, it's traffic right now. It's got that nice rumble to it. I can't open my windows because like I said in my previous video, I just got them tinted. I gotta leave them up for a few days. But you guys heard it. I want you guys to hear the inside now. Sounds really good in here. Just the perfect amount of noise. I really didn't want it to be too loud in here. And it's like still nice and quiet. It does have mufflers in the middle, as you guys saw. I do not know what brand or anything. I didn't see a logo on the mufflers or anything. People were telling me it's Corsa. I don't know, but what I do like about it is that it stays quiet at idle, and when I step on it, it's really loud. So that's what I like about it. Let's open the sunroof. We'll kind of downshift it right here. We're in fourth, third, second. Let's go to first. Oh yeah, that sounds so good. Let's go to second. There's first. You guys hear that? Oh my God, it feels even faster. Hey, chill, Maggie. Oh my God, I gotta get these paddle shifters to get working now, man. That's gonna be the next thing. Woo! All right, so the Magnum's been sitting here for about a day now. Let's hear what she sounds like on a somewhat cold start, even though it's hot as crap out here. Let's start her up. All right. Yeah. All right, let's see the back here.
Still go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave.